In the last movie, I talked in terms of data validation for really protecting the information on the screen. We can also use this tool for a type of automation that will give us a list rather than having to type in the data. Once again, I'm going to use data validation. For this particular feature, though, I'm going to select a column. Let's say, for instance, that I'd like you to enter the name of a shipper against an invoice. Now, we're only authorized to use 3 or 4 shippers, so I don't want you to type in whoever you'd like. I'd like you to select from a list. That's where data validation can come in handy. I've selected the entire column, so it's used on each of these cells. I'll go to data validation. You'll notice that it's telling me that some cells do not have any settings. Do I want to extend it? And I'm going to say yes, please do. You'll notice when it comes up, it was just letting me know that I had already set a validation rule, and that's okay. I just wanted you to become acclimated to some of the messages that come up so you're not worried about them. If you still want this validation rule turned on, just say okay. I'd like to switch it though, so I'm going immediately to allow, and this time I'm going to say list. When I go into the list, you will notice that it comes up with source. The source now allows me to actually type in the items that will be in the list. I'm going to type in the shipping companies that can be used within our company. I'm allowing UPS, FedEx, the Postal Service, United States Postal Service, and DHL. I'm happy with the items on the list, and I'm going to say OK. Now I want you to note that for each cell in this range, I get a pull-up. And you'll notice the pull-up allows me to select one of the items from the list. Not only does this eliminate typographical errors, it also takes away any guesswork with who I'm allowed to ship. In using the validation, we determined now that I can limit what you put into a cell, but I can also automate it, so there's less hassle for you in the day-to-day data entry.